the topic of detection, how are you seeing improvements in traditional detection engineering and response with the introduction of LLMs and agents?
I think that given a good foundation, it makes it really easy to scale up your security engineering program. And what I mean by that is there are companies that I've joined and the security team just sort of operated tools. So we bought a tool, we installed it, and now we just sit and watch what the tool does until it's our turn to click the button. So when I join those companies, we generally take some time understanding what data do we have access to. And then we build the world's greatest SIEM, which is a Postgres database and a bunch of I understand what data I'm putting in here with targeted queries that actually pull that data out. And so rather than just like assuming that I can pay to have security solved, the team thinks about like what techniques are being applied towards us and they build queries on that data to sort of let them know, hey, something weird is happening here. And so okay, we have this idea. We're going to switch from just running the tool to being engineers. But now you have to actually build custom things. You need Docker containers. You need Lambda functions. You need S3 to store all of this data until you've processed it. Or if you've got a lot of data, you need S3 to store it so that you can query it in Athena. And that's a lot of big words to somebody who's never written something in the cloud from scratch before. And so with LLMs making it so that I can say, here's a copy of a templated function. Doesn't do anything right now, but this is the pattern I want to follow. I have a data source. Here's 5 lines of the data source. It looks like this. I would like you to update the code so that it'll go into this specific table. It'll do it. It'll spit out the code that maybe you were intimidated to write it first. And now that it's there, the hard part is done. You've gotten started. You submit a pull request, and somebody looks at your code and says, hey, fix A, B, and C. And so you get the cheat. Like, I don't see LLMs replacing engineers. I see LLMs making engineers move faster. And so I really hope that more people in security sort of latch on to that thing that you get out of it.